Air fryer cooking, a healthier preparation method. Peanuts are truly little nutritional gems. Here's a deep dive into why they can work well in a diabetic-friendly diet and how air fryer cooking can help you enjoy them healthily. Peanuts and their health benefits. Low glycemic impact. Peanuts have a very low glycemic index (GI), about 14. This means they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar, rather than the rapid spike often seen with high GI foods. For someone managing diabetes, a slow, steady glucose release is essential. Rich in nutrients, they provide a good dose of plant-based protein, dietary fiber, and heart-healthy fats monounsaturated and polyunsaturated. These components not only promote sustained energy, but also promote satiety and stable blood sugar levels. Vitamins and minerals. Peanuts are packed with magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. Magnesium, in particular, has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, which can further aid blood sugar regulation. Antioxidant properties. They also contain antioxidants like resveratrol, which may help reduce oxidative stress, a factor that can exacerbate chronic conditions, including diabetes. Air fryer cooking, a healthier preparation method. Air frying peanuts offers a nutritious alternative to traditional frying, keeping your snack low in added fats and calories. Thorough washing. Begin by washing the peanuts well. This reduces any dirt or impurities and ensures you're starting with clean, fresh nuts. A few points to consider. Portion control. Even with their health benefits, peanuts are calorie-dense. Eating them in moderation helps you reap their nutritional benefits without consuming too many calories. Personal customization. You might experiment with light seasoning, think a dash of salt, or spices like smoked paprika or garlic powder if you want extra flavor without compromising the health benefits. Individual needs. While peanuts are generally beneficial for blood sugar management, every individual's nutritional needs can vary. If you have diabetes, consulting with your healthcare provider or a dietitian about portion size and overall diet is always a good idea. Peanuts offer a robust combination of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and micronutrients that complement a diabetic-friendly diet. Their low glycemic index and beneficial magnesium content support blood sugar stability. Cooking them in an air fryer at 25 minutes after a thorough wash preserves these health properties while providing a deliciously crunchy snack. Air fryer cooking, a healthier preparation method. Air frying peanuts offers a modern twist on a classic snack. By using this technique, you preserve the natural nutrients of the peanuts while keeping added fats and calories to a minimum. The result is a satisfying, crunchy treat that aligns perfectly with a health-conscious lifestyle. Air frying process. Once cleaned, gently transfer the peanuts to your air fryer. Set the timer for approximately 25 minutes. During this time, the circulating hot air evenly roasts the peanuts, coaxing out their rich, natural flavors. This method highlights the nut's inherent taste profile without the need for additional oils, ensuring that you retain maximum nutritional integrity. The air frying process transforms the peanuts into a beautifully golden, crunchy snack, elevating their texture and flavor in a natural and health-forward way. Ready to eat. After those carefully counted 25 minutes, your air-fried peanuts are perfectly roasted and ready to enjoy. Whether you're reaching for a quick, energy-boosting snack or a nutritious addition to your meal, these peanuts offer a delightful crunch and a wholesome taste that makes each bite exceptionally satisfying. By embracing the air fryer method, you create a snack that is not only delicious, but also mindful of your dietary needs. This approach respects the natural qualities of the peanuts, making them an ideal choice for a balanced, healthful diet. Enjoy your vibrant, nutrient-packed roast and relish in the harmony of flavor and wellness crafted in each bite. Enjoyed our air fryer peanut transformation? Hit that like button, subscribe for more quick and healthy snack ideas, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a tasty tip. Drop your flavor twists in the comments below. We love to see your creative spins on this recipe. Thanks for watching, and stay crunchy.